Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, I hope y'all feeling blessed today. I hope y'all feeling good, strong, and all that, man. I just want to say I'm proud of y'all before we even get into this video. I'm proud of y'all for tuning into today's video. But today's video, I got a little bit bad news, man. I know y'all seen my last video, man, and I was like, dang, I hit 30 days, and boom, it was a big accomplishment. And then, yeah, you know what happened. I relapsed again, bro. But, you know, I'm not going to sit up here and cap and say I didn't, you know. I could be like, yeah, no, I ain't do that and lie to y'all. But no, I did. I'm holding myself accountable. And there was no reason for me to do it. There was no excuse for me to do it. Just yesterday was like this whole week has been a stressful week. And, you know, I did lose my job yesterday again. But it was for a reason that I'm gonna go into another video. My next video I'm gonna be like why I lost my job again and why you should stick up for yourself. But yeah, I lost my job yesterday. I was just angry, and I failed, bro. I let myself down. But like I said, I'm not gonna let it defeat me or anything like I say in the past. But I'm gonna always keep it real with y'all. Just Real Talk with M2X. I'm always keep it real with y'all. I'm not gonna sit up here, like I said, and be like, no, I didn't relapse. I did relapse. Hold myself accountable. There was no reason for me to do it. I can't blame anybody but myself. So, you know. But yeah, like how I'm feeling, I still feel like I got my benefits. But I will say, bro, I went to the gym yesterday after I relapsed, and when I went to the gym, bro, like I felt so weak, bro. And it's weird because we be doing 100 push-ups in the Discord in the link down in the description below. Make sure you join. We do 100 push-ups daily. And so I went to the gym, and I haven't really been in the gym in 2 weeks. And this is another reason why I feel like I relapsed, because I felt in my head, I was like, you know, I need to get the bad energy out, because even though I hit 30 days, after 30 days I started peaking and stuff. Then I started watching it but not doing anything, and then boom, I finally relapsed. And you know, when I went to the gym yesterday, I like doing them push-ups. I still did my 100, but it was so much harder, bro. It was so much harder to the point where it was like I was literally struggling to get the last couple ones up. And you know, I don't know if it's because I just been doing 100 push-ups daily, and then like 30 daily for the past month. But like I will say, like it was a little bit harder yesterday, and I was struggling. But I don't know if that's just because, like I said, I've been doing it daily. But I don't know, I just felt weaker. But I will say, like, I don't believe you can lose. I don't, like, when people be on nofap, people be like, oh, it's superpowers and stuff. I don't believe in like really like superpowers and stuff like that. It's like, there are benefits to it, but I would say there's benefits to semen retention and nofap. Same thing with anything, quitting an addiction, quitting a bad vice. There's benefits to not smoking weed. There's benefits to not being around toxic people. So it's a benefit to everything. The benefits to nofap basically is like, you know, it does cure your social anxiety a little bit, gives you more confidence, more psychological things. But semen retention, what I realized is where it's really at. And I haven't really been on semen retention just because I said, like, even though I haven't been watching porn or masturbating and stuff, I still been having sex with people. Well, not with people, with one person. And you know, I feel like that has been draining my energy as well. So now I want to go on a full cycle of celibacy and semen retention to see where that really gets me, because I feel like, yeah, you know, having sex with somebody helped me not masturbate and stuff like that, but that was still coping with, instead of just doing full semen retention. And you know, because semen is a very powerful thing. Like I say all the time, like, it holds energy, it can create a kid. If you're just wasting it on someone's back or just using it for what it's not intended to do, it's not good for you. And that's why I feel like you get bad luck when you masturbate or release and stuff like that, or you get that post-nut clarity. So yeah, I will say, like, we back to what, day 2, because yesterday was day 1. I relapsed with day 1 today. We're gonna go on this journey again. It's way more easier for me now. And even when I went to the gym yesterday, like, I went on live. I did a live stream. I did a gym stream. So if y'all joined that, I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know we was doing our push-ups in the gym. And it was kind of uncomfortable for me, but I did it, man. Like, I pulled out my camera. There was a lot of people. Put my phone out, brought a tripod, started talking to people. That was hard for me. Like, that's how you overcome social anxiety. So I will say, like, nofap is not the cure to everything. and I want to make a video on that as well. Is it's not the cure to everything. It's not the cure that's gonna take all your problems away, but it's a stepping stone on getting to your next level of self-improvement. I feel like it's one of the major stepping stones, just because, well, I would say semen retention and focusing on yourself and building yourself is one of the best steps for improving your life and self-improvement, because it all starts with you. That's why it's called self-improvement. So you have to really dive deep in yourself, but since it all starts with you, masturbation, you're doing it to yourself. So that's one thing that I say is a stepping stone that you have to get rid of, that will then catapult into other things of you helping your life and improving in your life and fixing your problems that you have in life. But it's not the fix all problem, you feel me? So if any of y'all watching this, if y'all relapse or something, you know, I just want to let y'all know, like, don't beat yourself up over it, and really don't even count the days. I wasn't counting the days. Like I said, I just got a notification saying I hit 30 days, 1 month mark. That's why I made that video. I'm like, dang, I did 30 days, that's cool. So, but don't beat yourself up over it. I'm not gonna beat myself up over it. Just keep on pushing. You're gonna feel down for a little bit, but it's up to you now to grind. And even though I was on this long streak, man, I was still not doing the best things. Like I said in my last video, I was eating junk food. I was still having sex. I wasn't going to the gym as consistent. I was still doing my push-ups, but I wasn't going to the gym as consistent. Being on my phone a lot more. So it's like, you have to, if you're gonna go on a streak, if you're gonna do this, you have to replace it with something else, or something negative is gonna come back in, you know. So that's why I like going out doing these nature videos. If y'all like these nature videos, let me know. I like changing up the spot every time, man. I'm gonna start doing more traveling, and you know, I like doing beach videos. I like being out in nature and doing videos, because I'm just vibing by myself. Sometimes you just gotta vibe by yourself, bro. Like, being cooped up in the house, that's where you tend to, that's why yesterday I tended to relapse, bro, because I've been so busy. And this is another thing, you have to keep yourself busy, bro. I was so busy because waking up at 5 a.m, going to work, getting off work around 4, and then going straight to school at 5 to 10, then doing my push-ups at 10 o'clock, go to bed at 11. Boom. I had no time to even do that. But yesterday, I lost my job, and I had all the time in the world. Boom, I came home. I was like, nah, I can't do this. I can't do this. Did it, bro. And the one thing that with my job is that I was in the car by myself a lot, and I would be waiting for somebody to come, and that's when I started peeking at that stuff again, because I wasn't keeping myself occupied. So, you know, it's really just about keeping yourself busy, and that's the real key. And I want to make another video on that too as well, how to you know, stay locked in on nofap and stay locked in on your goals and defeat this porn addiction. But you know, the reason I haven't made so many videos on how to help people yet is because I haven't helped myself. You can't help people if you don't help yourself. So, you know, like I said, I don't hop on here and fake anything and try and help y'all and copy what other people say and tell y'all it, because it's just reused information. And that's why a lot of y'all mess with me. You know, I want to hop on here and let y'all know the real talk, man. Let y'all know what I'm going through, you know, because it's a journey. This is, even though I'm trying to help y'all, and I have helped a lot of y'all, because y'all, when I see that y'all comment like I inspired y'all, or I be hopping on a phone call with people, I be like, dang, I really be helping people. But y'all helping me as well. I'm going through this journey. I'm helping y'all, but I'm bringing y'all along on the journey, because not a lot of people do that, bro. So I just want to let y'all know, like, we're human. We all mess up. We all make mistakes. But it's up to you. It's up to me. Not up to anybody else but yourself to get back on your grind and do what you have to do, man. Nobody's going to come save you, bro. No matter how many videos that y'all watch of mine or how many self-improvement videos you watch, you're never going to be a better person unless you put in that work, bro. Because I'm in the same place as y'all. I be watching these videos, and for a little bit I do good, but then boom, I'm right back to square one. It's a cycle. It's a repeating cycle. But what stops that cycle? You have to put a stop in that cycle, bro. So, you know, it's like a wheel turning, you know. Matter of fact, not even a wheel turning, like a snowball turning. When you have a snowball, it starts off small. When you're building a snowman, it starts off small, you start rolling. Eventually, it's going to get big and big and big and big, to the point where you can't stop it from rolling down the hill. So that's how your life is. Your life is like a snowball. It's a snowball effect. You start off with something small, you start rolling down the hill, getting bigger, till you can't stop rolling down the hill, and eventually you hit the bottom of the hill and you explode, you know? And that's how your life is. If you don't stop that right now, you're just gonna keep going downhill, man. Y'all know me, I love using analogies, metaphors, whatever it's called, man. I think it's analogy, yeah. To help y'all explain, because everything is an analogy, bro. And I be coming up with them off of my head, man. But yeah, like I said, bro, don't beat yourself up over it. Go out in nature, do what you gotta do, and just really improve your life, bro. Like, and this is me telling myself too, improve my life, improve my own life. You feel me? Because no matter how much I try, it's never gonna fully stop, or I'm never gonna fully improve unless I really put in that effort and that discipline. Discipline is the key. And that's what I'm coming to realize. Because even yesterday, my mother told me to do the dishes. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do the dishes. I got out of the shower from coming home from the gym. Oh, I'm kind of tired, I don't want to do the dishes. And then I said, no, I'm doing these dishes. And then I was doing a little bit, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna leave like 3 dishes left. And I was like, no, I need to do these dishes. And that made me feel good. Because then you start making excuses in your head, like, I'm tired right now. Boom, no. If I'm not tired enough to get on my phone and lay down in the bed, I need to do these dishes, bro. So it all starts with discipline. It starts with the small things, man. But yeah, like I said, don't beat yourself up over it if you relapsed. You know, just keep pushing. And if you haven't relapsed, don't think, oh, Meech relapsed, so now I'm a relapse. Don't do it, bro. Please don't do it, because when I did it, it hurt, bro. I promise you. And when I say hurt, I don't mean just mentally it hurt. It physically hurt, bro. It hurt. It's like I got a sharp pain down there, and the whole day, like, it was just a sharp pain, bro. And it was just stinging, bro. And it was just like, I don't have no STD, so don't think that, bro. I get tested. But it just hurt, man. It hurt down there. And I'm like, this don't even feel good. And it's like, I don't even think I'm chasing the feel good feeling down there. I think it's more the dopamine rush of watching the video. Watching the video, seeing the excitement come back up, bro. You know? But yeah, with that being said, man, don't relapse if you haven't did it yet. If you did, you want to talk to me, bro, join the Discord down in the description below. Hit me up on IG, hit me on Discord. Text me on here, bro. You know, we could talk. I'm here to talk with y'all. If y'all feel alone, I'm here to talk with y'all, bro. And that goes for my ladies too, because I know I got a couple ladies watching my videos. So, but I'm going to be vulnerable, so I don't care if the ladies know. A lot of men struggle with this, so now y'all going to know. But yeah, with that being said, man, I love y'all. Stay safe, stay motivated, stay blessed, stay disciplined, and stay consistent, man. And stay focused on you, bro. Cut all the distractions out. That's what I'm in the process of doing. I know how hard it is, man. It's very hard. But we have to just put our foot down and just go, man. It's a new year, bro. We need to grind, bro. So with that being said, man, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video, man. Gang.